Hi, I'm from Techie Dialogue. Today, we're going to go over how to copy an image from Google Docs to Photoshop step by step. This is a quick and easy way to transfer images between programs without downloading files separately. And if you're finding these tutorials helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips. Step 1. First, open your Google Docs document. Go to the document that contains the image you want to use. Right-click on the image, select View More Options, then choose Save to Keep. Next, right-click on the image again and select Copy. Step 2. Open up Photoshop. Once Photoshop is open, you can create a new document by going to the top left corner, clicking on File, then New. Then create a new document. Or if you want to work in an existing file, just open that one up instead. Step 3. Now go to the Edit menu in Photoshop and click on Paste. This will paste the copied image directly onto your canvas in Photoshop, where you can edit it just like any other image. And that's it. Thanks so much for watching, and see you next time.